Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today we're going to show you how to install your U10 XL Pro rear bumper. The first thing you want to do is install your accent panels. To do that, you'll turn your bumper over, place your accent panel inside the bumper, and put your bolts in from the top. We're now going to take your center accent piece and place it under your Thumper Fab logo and put your bolts in from the top. Now that you have your accents installed, if you pick the light kit option, it's now time to install your lights. Turn your bumper over, slide your light into the pocket, and use the supplied hardware that comes with the light. Now that you have your lights and your accent panels installed, you can go ahead and install your bumper onto the threaded bungs in the bottom of the bed. Now when you're ready, you can go ahead and tighten your 3 bolts. Now that you have all your bolts in, you're done with your bumper install. If you decided to do the light kit, we'll go through the light kit wiring diagram now. Your light kit comes with 1 switch for the dash, a relay to mount under the hood, a power and ground to mount to a power source, and you have 2 cords for each light in the rear. First, we're going to start wiring the front of the vehicle. This is your accessory wiring. What you'll do is pull the top off of it. The one closest to the driver's side is your accessory terminal. The one in the middle is your ground, and the one on the passenger side is your hot. Also, if you have not already, you will need to connect the wires from your accessory panel to the wires to your harness. To do that, you'll unplug it from this, and you'll unplug this blank spade from here, and you will plug it in there. In your Thumper Fab harness, the supplied harness does not have the correct size ring terminals. We have supplied the correct ring terminals. You will need to cut the old ones off and put the new ones on. You'll place your ring terminal on, then crimp your wire, and then make sure you heat sink your ends. For this install, we're going to connect the negative to the center post and your red wire to your driver's side post, which is your accessory. In order for your wire to reach your dash, you'll need to remove your relay from the harness, put your harness in the hole next to the brake master cylinder, and then reconnect your relay. There's a grommet in the center of your firewall. You will need to stick your light switch through that grommet to make it to the dash. Now you'll need to pull your blank out of the dash and run your wire through it. With your switch facing up, the wires will go on the passenger side in this order: black on top, white in the middle, blue on the bottom. Now you will want to pull your wire that goes to the rear down through the tunnel all the way to the rear bumper, watching out for hot spots and pinch points. The last connection you're going to make is at your light from your harness. With everything connected, you'll want to go back and make sure your wires are all zip tied nice and neat, and you're ready to roll.